Okay, third graders, now I'm going to show you how you can look at each other's videos and leave compliments on all the videos that you view in your class. Again, you want to make sure that you are under your homeroom biography page, so you're on the correct Seesaw page with that. Then down here, you should see where there are names of all the students in your class, right? Again, I posted to the sample video just so I could show the example, but here you are able to then click on different classmates and look at their speeches. So I would click on the sample student and then I can click comment. Then I can write, "Hi, Miss Muldoon, I love your hook." And then you can post it. Then you can go to another student in your class and give them some feedback and some positive compliments on their videos. Happy posting!